Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I'll be unboxing the Xiaomi's Mi PowerBank 2i with 20,000 mAh battery. So guys, here's the box and it comes in this orange packaging just like all the Xiaomi products these days, the accessories. And at the top we have the product's name, that's Mi PowerBank 2i 20,000 mAh. Below that we have some of the highlighting features like two-way quick charge, intelligent power output and lithium polymer battery. Now this is the previous 20,000 mAh power bank. Now there's only one major difference between this and this apart from the visual looks, like this is white and that's black. Besides that, the only difference between these two things is that this white color power bank supports one-way quick charge. That is, you can charge this power bank using a quick charger. While with this new power bank, we can charge it using a quick charger and it can also charge other phones quickly. So that's definitely a huge thing. Now on the back we have product information like contents of the box and some more specifications. So without wasting any further time, let's just go on with the unboxing. Okay, was not able to cut that. I'll remove that instead. By the way guys, on the right side you get this scratch code which can be used to verify if this product is a genuine product or not. So if you have any doubts, if you have purchased this product from anyone else, to check for authenticity, you can use this code. Now let me just open it up. So inside the box we have some documentation which I'll probably never read. Next we have the power bank itself. By the way, it comes only in one color, that's black. They say it has the sandstone texture to it. Let's see if it is there or not. So guys, this is the new 20,000 mAh power bank. It's in black color and it does have that sandstone black texture, but it's not the same as the OnePlus One phone. There's a tiny bit of texture just like with the skin for Poco F1, but that's it. It definitely adds a lot of grip. Now you also get this free micro USB charging cable inside the box. I wish it came in black, and that's it. Now let's have a quick physical overview. On the front it simply says Mi and that's it. On the left side it's plain. On the back once again it's plain. On the right side you just get a single button. Now at the top we have two USB ports and at the center we have the charging port along with the LED lights. Now if you click this button once, it just displays you the battery percentage. So right now two LEDs are blinking. So this power bank has about 10,000 mAh of battery left in it. Now finally at the bottom we have the complete specifications. Now this is an all-in-one power bank. You can use this power bank to charge your phones and even smaller devices like Bluetooth headsets or your fitness bands. Normally if you want to charge your phone using fast charging or regular charging, you just plug it in. But if you want to charge your smart devices like a smart band or a Bluetooth headset, you need to click this button twice. Once you click this button twice, it enters the low power mode and you can charge those devices. Otherwise those devices won't charge. Now let's try fast charging. So first I'm going to try it with Redmi K20, and here we have Redmi K20. Let's see if it can fast charge. So it says quick charge, so quick charge is working. Now I had a doubt, can we quick charge two phones at a time? So let's try that. And now I'm going to use Redmi Note 7 Pro and let's see what happens. So guys, this power bank does support two-way quick charging. It can be charged faster using a quick charger and it can also charge other phones using quick charging technology. But it only works if you connect one phone at a time. Now I've just connected Redmi K20 and this phone will get quick charged. And we should be able to see a battery icon over here. And now it says quick charge. Now let's see if it works with Redmi Note 7 Pro. Once again, I'm just connecting it to one phone at a time and there's no quick charge yet. So it says charging fast. Now let's see what happens when I connect two phones. So guys, as you can see, now both phones are charging at normal rate. So this power bank can definitely do fast charging, but only one device at a time. If you connect two devices at the same time, it will charge both phones at a normal rate. Now let me just come back to it. Now to charge this power bank, if you use a Qualcomm quick charger with 18 watts output, it takes about 6.7 hours, that's almost 7 hours to charge the power bank completely. Instead, if you use a regular 10 watts power adapter, it takes almost 10 hours to charge it completely from 0 to 100%. Now let me compare these two power banks side by side. In terms of height, the black one is slightly taller. In terms of width, both are equally wide. And in terms of thickness, black one is once again a bit more thicker. Now let's check the weight. By the way guys, when I first picked up this black power bank, it really felt pretty heavy. So let's check the weight. So this is the black power bank, that's the new one. So it weighs about 227 grams. And now let's check the white one. It weighs about 336 grams. So there's approximately a difference of 100 grams, and this power bank definitely feels pretty heavy. So guys, if you're someone who likes to carry your power bank in your hand or in your pocket while moving around, then I would definitely not recommend you this one. Instead, you can go for the smaller 10,000 mAh power bank. Now with that said, if you're someone who travels a lot and need a bigger power bank, then you can definitely consider this one. As for me, I really like it and I'll probably be using it, but my only con would be the weight. By the way guys, I forgot to mention, this power bank is entirely made of plastic, there's no metal, so if you drop it, there's a bigger chance that it might break. While the smaller 10,000 mAh power bank is made of metal, so it's much more durable. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, complaints, or want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter. And if you're planning to buy this power bank, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.